Hey guys, in today's vlog, we're taking you hiking with us in the High Tatras. We're going to be exploring this beautiful mountain range in Slovakia, full of lakes, nature and even wildlife. It's a true hiking paradise. Anyway, let's get started.
Started the hike about 15 minutes in. Just a nice relaxing walk, slightly uphill. Really nice to be out here in nature. A lot of families as well, so it's really good for children if you want to bring your kids. So I can hear a waterfall across here. Really beautiful.
We finally arrived in this beautiful hut. This is our room. We have 4 beds and we got a balcony as well. The hike was really nice. It wasn't that difficult. It was like moderate. It was 1 hour up and we saw a fox as well, which is really cool. Now we're gonna chill a bit and then we're gonna go down to have dinner. We ordered some soups, some bread as well. And a beer. And after we're going to have a goulash. Goulash? Goulash, yeah. Good morning. So we woke up and this is our breakfast. We got some cheese, some eggs, some salami, ham, and we got the bread. The weather doesn't look good today. I mean, it's nice, I like it, but to hike down it's a bit of a problem because the roads are slippery, so we'll see how that goes. As you can see here, we are in the middle of the forest. The mountains are up there, but you can't see them because, of course, it's like gloomy. So, let's go! Na zdrowie.
Perfect. Oh. I give you water. You want water?
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Soft, maybe, like other Slovakian alcohol. Sleep here, sleep there. Not fine.
Today we're going to do the Zelene Pleso hike, so I'm really looking forward to that. It's a 3-hour hike, but I think it's gonna take longer than that for us. We'll see how that goes. We are getting prepared, so we are going very soon. Thanks, goodbye, have a nice day. Thank you. So we arrived here with the cable car and we're gonna start the hike now.
So we've been hiking for about an hour now. The first part was quite uphill, and then since then we've just been going around the mountain in this rocky area. So there's big boulders which we're obviously going past.
We don't know what there is, so
Yeah, we don't know
it's a
what's
surprise for us. So we can see just the rocks only, and that's it. Let's go.
Right, so we made it.
We are in this amazing place.
Made it to the top, and now we're going to start the hike down. So we're on our way down. We've been walking for about just over an hour now from the mountain peak. It's been quite challenging, a lot of rocks to get down. I think we're about halfway, so we have another hour and a half left.
We are almost finished from our hike, and the view is amazing. I don't know if you can see it, but there are mountains, there are clouds, there's the sun coming in, so it's amazing. I really love this hike.
Good morning. So we woke up here at Zelene Pleso. It's a beautiful lake up in the mountains. Had a brilliant hike yesterday. It was really long and challenging. When we arrived, we just headed up to the cottage, got our room, had something to eat, and boom, we were dead. So this morning we woke up, got some shots of the place. It's just amazing out here, so nice and peaceful and quiet. So we're on our way down. We've been walking for about 2.5 hours. About 30 minutes left now. I'm really tired because obviously yesterday took us nearly 7 hours.
Yeah, really tired. I can't feel my leg and can't feel my toes as well. But it's part of the adventure, right?